Okay, an 18,380 kilogram airplane slows from 48.1 meters per second to rest in 6.14 seconds. What was its acceleration if the engines generated 112 kilonewtons of reverse thrust? How much air friction was acting against the plane as it slowed down? This would be average. Okay, so let's assume that it's not using brakes, that it's using reverse thrust, and that's it, and air friction. Right? Those are the two forces. So it seems like we got to solve a little Suvat thing. We've got number, 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 right? So let's do that. Final velocity is 0. Initial is 48.1. The time is 6.14. I choose for acceleration change in velocity over time. So the change in velocity is negative 48.1 meters per second, right, divided by 6.14 seconds, right? So if you do change in velocity over time, you got to be careful. The change from 48.1 to 0 is negative 48.1. You could avoid all the hassle by using v equals u plus at, right? 0 equals 48.1 plus acceleration times 6.14, and you naturally get a negative number. I'm just lazy, so here we go. 48.1 divided by 6.14. All right. And I get that the acceleration is negative 7.833, I'll say 9, it's 87 or something like that, right? Okay, so now we've got our acceleration. We are in good shape. So now we've got the airplane, and there's the airplane flying along the runway, right? It is moving this way, and there is air friction acting on it, and we don't know which way the air friction acts. Although, of course, we know it's to the left. It should be a negative force, right? Okay, so we got question mark, right? And then we have the reverse thrust of 112, so 112,000 newtons. Okay, let's make this way positive. Okay, so this is a negative force, unknown force. Even though we know it's negative, we make it positive, right? Our acceleration is negative, right? It's moving this way, but it's slowing down and it's going to stop, right? So now we just use F equals ma. Our forces are unknown force minus 112,000 newtons, right? And then that equals m times a. So there's our m, 18,380. And here's our acceleration, right? Negative 7.8339, like that, right? So now we're set. Now we're all set. Let's go that times 18,380. So this side of the equation is like 143,986, right? And then I'm going to add this to both sides, right? So plus. And I get that the force is equal to negative 31986.644, etc., right, newtons. And so I guess that would be, what, 32,000, which would be negative 32.0 kilonewtons, 1,000 newtons.